Hello guys, welcome to my channel that is BI Tech. So guys, in this video I will talk about if else function using in the DAX. This is mostly used in DAX. This is mostly used in DAX and Power BI Desktop and other BI tools. Okay, so moving towards the video, if else is used just for conditions. I mean, if the condition is successfully working fine. So calculated column will show you true result. Otherwise, will show you false result. So, for example, I have a scenario and I want to create a column and in which column has total amount. If the total amount less than 1,000, so it will show you region central amount. Otherwise, east region amount. So I am going to create a major first. Then I'm going to create a major for region central and east central amount. Then I'm going to create a calculated column using if else. Okay. So first I want to create a column. Sorry, major. Uh, I I just maximize its font size. Then you will look fine properly. Okay. Central, east, west. Okay, so I want to create major for central and east. Okay, so major, central, amount. Okay, calculate um, sum of uh, I'm using total in this major. Okay, so taking total from the sales order, and then now filter, using filter for taking central, for taking central amount from the region. That's why using filter function. Okay, uh, now uh, table name sales order. Then I have to provide column name. So the column name, so my column name is region. mm, Region. Okay, now filter central, central. Okay, I'm copying for the east amount. Okay, so central amount measure has been created. Putting and move it on the tile card. Okay, now create a measure, other measure for east, for east region amount. Then and paste it, change it east and here east. Okay, so east amount measure has also been created, and the of the hair and move it on the tile card. Okay, now I am going to create a calculated column using if else function. Okay, I already told you guys what's my scenario. Okay, so directly I'm going to create a column. If the total amount less than 1,000, total from the sales order less than 1,000, so So I want to I want to see central amount in the true condition. So providing central amount in the reference in the true condition reference, and provide east amount the false condition reference. Okay, now checking it's working fine or not. Drag and drop here, and also it's also I'm also converting change this visualization to tile card. Okay, so I'm taking total in the drop down filter for check for verify my measures and column is successfully is working successfully fine or not, is working fine or not. Okay, so first I need to increase its size, font size. Okay, so if for example I want to see less than 500, sorry, I want to see 500, 0 to 500. So see true conditions is my true condition is central amount, and false condition is amount. Okay, central condition sorry, central amount will show in the in this measure in this column, sorry, calculated column. So it's mean it's working fine. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I think you getting more and more from my channel and from my videos. So please like, comment, and share my videos. And do one thing more, please subscribe my channel and also press bell button. Press bell button for my new video will notify you. Okay, thank you.